So we're here at Union Square doing the Jericho Urban Spy game. I can't find the guy who's holding it because it's very discreet. Spies, right? A little too good.
It's hard, like the light.
I knew that note. This is more like for later on. Like I'll be delivering.
Yeah.
Leave first.
Down the block, and he is going to tell us when the other team is coming, and we're going to ambush them from the top. It's coming!
I'll tell them what's up. All right, thanks.
yeah, this ball is getting on both sides. Wait, it was on this side?
I know, we also was on the other side.
Wow,
We need to learn what compass is.
I was telling you, I was like, guys.
You shot me the for nothing.
I ran into the...
Meet at Union Square again. Hopefully there's a little more space somewhere around where under the tree maybe.
Ooh, under the Christmas tree.
Got a little time.
Okay, go.
So we had a crazy night. We played Jericho, and we had Nerf guns, and I was the shopping bag killer, and I killed 9 people tonight out of the 3 rounds. It was like this bang, 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 bang. Anyway, stop flinching. I'm not gonna shoot you. But I did kill a lot of people, and it was uber fun.